Hey guys, my name is Mohamat Eirban.
My name is Lokesh Raj.
We are both students in UCO, University of Central Oklahoma. We're doing a course called Bio 1114, General Biology for Non-Majors. We are being taught by Dr. Bidlack.
This is our extra credit project and we are going to talk about alleles.
What is an allele, you may ask? In biology, an allele is an alternative form of gene. Okay, so some genes have a variety of different forms which are located at different positions, also known as genetic locus on a chromosome. These alleles are located on a chromosome. Humans are known as a diploid organism. Why? Because we have two alleles at each of our genetic locus, with each being inherited from each of our parents. Each pair of these alleles represents the genotype of a specific gene. Like a gene A and an allele A and an allele B will determine what your eye color will look like, such as that. This genotype is what determines your phenotype, the organism's phenotype, which is also known as the outward appearance, as I said before. Your blue eye, black hair, brown hair, blonde hair. These alleles are what determines how they look, how they end up being. Mostly from these alleles which are inherited from your parents, so you should expect to have the same characteristic as your parents. Well, how did we come to find out how alleles are transmitted? Well, this was found out by someone known as Gregor Mendel, and this is now known as Mendel's law of segregation.
Or recessive. Genotypes are described as homozygous if there are two identical alleles at a particular locus, and as heterozygous if the two alleles differ. When an organism is heterozygous at a specific locus and carries one dominant and one recessive allele, the organism will express a dominant phenotype. Alleles also refer to minor DNA sequence variation between alleles that do not necessarily influence the gene's phenotype. In the case regarding earlobes, free earlobes is dominant, whereas attached earlobes represents a recessive allele. If a person receives one free earlobe, dominant allele, and one attached earlobe, recessive allele, that person will exhibit free earlobe as it is the dominant allele. The only way that a person can exhibit recessive allele, recessive attached earlobe, only when that person receives both recessive allele.
Hooray for biology!